Remove the hand screws. Remove label. Remove side screws. Remove laser module cover screws. Remove air tube plug. Remove cover plate. Remove the gasket post. Gently move the fan. Unplug the fan and laser cables. Unplug the harness from the laser cartridge power connector. Remove the laser driver board. Note: remove the laser driver board by moving it to the right. Replace the laser driver board with a new one. Align the holes and insert the laser driver board. Plug in the laser core power supply connector harness. Insert the cushion pillars in order to align the holes. Attach the cover plate. Install the screws. Plug in the laser cable. Plug in the fan harness. Install the cover plate. Tighten the screws. Attach the air plug. Install the side screws. Note: install the screws diagonally to avoid misalignment of the holes. Stick the label on it.